Hello everybody, today we're gonna make Fireheart. In the other video where I made Umbreon from scratch, so that one was pretty good to me. I liked Umbreon a lot, but today we're gonna do Fireheart. Yes, you all heard me, Fireheart. I like him very much. I feel like he's one of my other favorite characters in the series, but my first favorite was Scourge because I thought he was really cool. So yeah, we're gonna make him today. So we're gonna add the first orange pelt, then the lightest bit of yellowish color eye shine. I have Fire Paw, but not Fireheart. I don't know why. But yeah. I don't know if I added that. See guys, I'm already struggling. I don't know if I had that too. I think I did. And like charcoal face stripes, I add these. Ow. I just poked my face with my nail. That hurt. I think there's blood on me. Probably not. I added this fur, the airy face fur. That one's very new to the game. Still kind of new. I added this fur, and then long neck fur, and then low belly fur. For his tail, I did a slim plum tail. His legs, nothing. For his torso, a cape. I keep saying cap, but it's a cape. Cape and low stripes. And then for the neck, there is a neck stripe, and I added that. So there it is, right there. It's that thing, this thing right there. That gray thing next to that other gray thing, and next to the lightest gray thing. And then I added a heart because he kind of has one. If you want to make Rusty, you can do the same thing but with a collar and make it blue, like in the middle. Scars, none. Legs, none. Body accessories, none. Ear accessories, none. Muzzle type, regular, normal muzzle. Head, I already showed you guys that. Outfits, none. So, if you guys want to make Firestar, there is a diamond forehead. You could add that. It's kind of hard to see it, but it's okay. One time, I was like, I wonder what this guy's name is. And I saw this video, and it was like the first meeting of Fireheart, Firepaw, or Rusty and Graystripe meeting up. You guys are probably wondering, how do you know all this, Addy? It's because that I have the books and I've read. Well, I'm getting into the third one. But I've read 2 and 3. 2 is pretty sad to me. Oh wait, I forgot the body stripe. What am I doing? There. That was my mom laughing at something. I don't know. Probably laughing at me for doing a mistake that I originally did. I don't know why I said it like that. You guys are probably like, oh yeah, that's really sad. The first, like the second part of the series is pretty sad to me. It's very sad. So sad I even cried at the end, where I even cried. I was like, it was like, it was horrible. But I got over it because my my third favorite of the series is Yellowfang. Everybody knows Yellowfang is a bad guy or a bad girl. I don't know a word for that. But yeah. Yeah. I don't think I did it for that one. I like that for that one. Ah! No, I don't want to do it like that. Like this. Bruh. That looks okay. I was like, okay, good. That was great. And I'm almost there. Almost done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave that hit that like button and subscribe. If you don't, it's fine. I don't care. But if you do, sorry, that was me just doing that thing. I have a tablet case, and I like to do that at the end of it. I don't know why. I just do. But anyways, so yeah, that's how you make Fireheart. See you in the next video. Bye!